You can't go wrong with vegetables, and these choices are especially helpful for blood sugar management and overall health. If you've got diabetes, you may often wonder what foods are okay to eat. Even small choices, like radishes on your salad, might trigger the question, are radishes good for my blood sugar? Adequate fruit and vegetable intake is a cornerstone of a healthy diet and can even help you live longer. According to the U.S. Department of Agriculture, USDA, females need 2 to 3 cups of vegetables a day and males need 3 to 4 cups a day. And if you're managing diabetes, getting plenty of nutrient-rich, high-fiber vegetables can help with both blood sugar management and long-term diabetes management. 1. Carrots. The fiber in non-starchy vegetables helps us feel full and satisfied. Weissenberger recommends carrots as an especially filling, high-fiber vegetable. Carrots are also high in vitamin A, which helps with immunity and healthy eyes. 2. Green beans. Whether it's the holiday season or another time of year, a green bean casserole can be a warm, comforting addition to dinner. Green beans contain vitamin C and vitamin A and are high in fiber. Weissenberger recommends adding chopped green beans to pasta sauce for an extra veggie hit. If you prefer canned green beans, opt for a low-sodium option if possible. 3. Cabbage. If you have diabetes, there is a time and a place for orange juice, but chugging it in hopes of an immunity boost might not be the best choice. Enter cabbage. Like OJ, it, too, is high in vitamin C, which may positively affect heart health, according to a 2020 review in the journal Antioxidants. It's also got tons of fiber to slow the digestion of whatever you're eating alongside it, which can help prevent blood sugar spikes. 4. Spinach. Like all leafy green vegetables, spinach is nutrient-dense and very low in calories. It's also rich in iron, which is key to healthy blood flow. According to a 2020 study published in Nutrition Journal, spinach also contains membranes called thylakoids, which house substances that may help with insulin sensitivity. 5. Cucumber. Another of Weissenberger's favorite sandwich fillings, cucumber is a high-water vegetable that can help keep you hydrated, as well as feeling full. A 2022 review in the journal Molecules found that members of the Cucurbitaceae family of produce, including cucumbers, may lower and control blood sugar levels and reduce inflammation throughout the body. 6. Lettuce. Different types of lettuce contain different nutrients, but all are high in fiber and water. In particular, just 1 cup of red leaf lettuce packs in 33% of your daily vitamin K needs, per the USDA. Vitamin K is important for blood clotting and bone health. Serving other foods over a bed of lettuce can also help slow their absorption, further contributing to blood sugar control. Using lettuce in place of pizza crust or tortillas is a great way to help prevent a blood sugar spike but still get all the flavor when you're craving your favorite foods. 7. Broccoli. In addition to helping with satiety, the fiber in vegetables acts as a prebiotic. Prebiotic fibers are fermented by our gut bacteria, helping them to thrive, says Weissenberger. In some cases, this helps with glucose and cholesterol metabolism. Broccoli is a great choice for this, as are other cruciferous vegetables.